Get into it. Get into it. Hey guys, my name is Tatiana and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a swimsuit try-on haul. So guys, the brand Cupshe reached out to me and they sent me some really cute bikinis. I can't wait to show you guys and try it on. Look at the freaking packaging, like these are so freaking cute. So the brand Cupshe is basically like a swimsuit website and they have like cover-ups and stuff like that and accessories I think too. And all their swimsuits are literally, I think, under $30 and I love that. It's the summertime, you want to take some cute swimsuit pics, you want to go to the beach, you know, and all that stuff, and you need some cute swimsuits. So period. So I think I have about like 5 bikinis to try on, which I'm so excited. You know, I tried them on before, so it's not necessarily a first impression, but these are honestly really cute. I love them. They all fit pretty nice. So yeah, and I did have to hook you guys up. I do have a coupon code. You guys could get 10% off any order that's $70 or up using the code YTTatiana. It's on the screen somewhere. So yeah, save your coin.
Y'all, I'm so mad. I don't even know if my fairy lights were on for the intro, but they're on now, so yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the first bikini. It is the neon green stylish cutout bikini. And it is stylish and like trendy or whatever. It has like a little cutout right here on the top, and the bottoms are high-waisted. And this is what it looks like. But this is a full spin. This is what it looks like. So I really like the top. It fits well. It's nice and tight. This is an extra small. All my bikinis are in an extra small just because I am pretty petite. I am 4'11" and I weigh about like 116. I don't know. I haven't weighed myself in a long time. For extra small, these bottoms are a little big. I'm not gonna really show you guys the back because I feel like I have diaper booty in these, but it's a little saggy. But all in all, I think it's really cute. You could like pull up these strings, make you look a little bit thicker. And overall, I think it's a really cute bikini. So here is the second bikini, and I actually love this bikini. This is the dark blue one shoulder bikini, so you have like this one shoulder thing. It's really cute. This is what it looks like. First of all, could we just get into this color on my skin? I didn't know that I was gonna like it, but I just feel like it looks so freaking good, and with my hair it just looks good, and I'm just like, yes. These bottoms are definitely more tight than the last bikini, so I really like that. Get into it. Get into it. I don't know guys, I just can't wait to take pictures in this because this is fire. Okay, this bikini, I honestly, at first when I first tried it on, I didn't like it, but honestly right now, I love it. This is definitely one of my faves. This is the Bay of Angels crochet bikini, and I just feel like it looks so freaking good. You can smell my tattoo. Yes, I have a tattoo right there. It's white crochet and it has like this pink lining, and it has like white over it too. Let me just give you all a close up because I just feel like this is so freaking cute. Like, yes, I promise you this is one of my favorites. And these bottoms are actually low rise. I don't mind low rise bikinis. I feel like they look cute. So yeah, that's what it looks like. The bottoms fit really nicely too. And yeah, I just don't want to take this off. This is cute. I got this one piece. It's yellow. I just look like a pretty freaking cute banana right now. This is their yellow lace up halter one piece, and the detailing on the back is so cute. Like, it's like halter and then you hook it up, and honestly these bottoms are pretty conservative and I like it. It doesn't sew too much, but like it doesn't look like you have on a diaper either. I don't know, I just really like this. And then you have like the slits right here too. I don't know, there's something about this is just like, period. It's very good. It's very cute. You can wear this to the beach with your family, but then still get the guys. Like, what it do? Cupshe really did that with this bikini. Like, imagine like a high ponytail and just like this is freaking so is our final bikini. It's this cute two-piece. It's like striped. We have the nice bottoms. It's like this really cute tan color, and I really like it. That's what it looks like. If I had to pick a least favorite out of all the bikinis, it would definitely be this one. I don't know. I just feel like the color doesn't really complement my skin tone like I thought it was going to, but it's good quality, it fits nice, and it's still cute. I'd still wear it. Just like the neon bikini, these bottoms are a little big in the back, so that's the only thing about it. But yeah, they just all look so cute. Like, I'm fitted up when I go to the beach, period. So that's it for this try on haul, guys. Honestly, I have no complaints about the bikinis, except like 2 of the bottoms were a little bit too big. But honestly, I feel like if you wash it, they shrink up a bit. Like my bikini shrank when I washed them, so I feel like that will be resolved then. And yeah, I really love these bikinis. Like, they're honestly bomb quality, cute styles, and Cupshe has so many more styles, so definitely go check them out in the description box below. If you guys all enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Leave in the comments below what you'd like to see next. And yeah, guys, I love you all, and goodbye.